Welcome everybody. I would like to share with you a video how to repair a headlight for Tesla S. There is a common problem with the upper DRL of the headlight. Neither the upper light is not working or getting yellow light. Long time I was searching for a repair kit, and at last I found it on the website EV Tesla. I made an order and I get a repair kit which contains of 3 parts: the LED light, the holder, and the glass tube. We will see together how to repair the light step by step. To separate the glass from the body of the headlight, we have to heat up this side from around the headlight by using a special heater. Then we have to move these clips. After removing these clips from each other, from the glass and from the body, we continue a little heating this. From all sides. After that, we begin to separate them from this side. Slowly. The same from the other side. After we heat up the headlight and we have separated the glass from the body of the headlight, we will take the glass of the headlight off, and then we have to disconnect these connectors. And separate it from each other. As you see, we have a lot of screws here. We have to get it off, to get all screws off. First of all, we will take this and we have to take this part off slowly. After that, we have to get this white part. Now we have to separate the light frame from the glass. We have to remember that there is a screw hiding here. After taking all the screws, and we have to separate the chrome part from the white, this white part. They are welded in 3 points, one here, and one here. We have to use a cutter to cut these weldings. Now we are ready to separate the light housing and take off the light part from the chrome. As you can see, we have here upper tube and side tube. As usually, the problem with the upper tube, and we have to remove this tube and this LED light and replace them with the new one. As you can see here, there is some problem here, and we can see here the LED light is broken. First of all, we have to replace the LED light, and you can see here it's burned. For that, it's not working, and even neither not lighting or get a yellow light. We cut it from here, and we get the new one. We have to connect the red one with the red one. This is a positive, and the black one is the negative. After we have connected the LED light, and as you can see, this is clear, and it's white, and it's working. After that, we have to put the tube in his place. As we can see here, there are two parts, and there must be come inside here. After installing the tube, we can see here the tube from this side is clear and it's new. We have to put the holder here. We have fixed the light, and we have now to assemble all the parts together. After we have finished assembling all parts, we have to connect the connectors back. And we will see what we have got. The light is working perfect.